excited when I took the job at the car dealership. It was an opportunity to earn money for school and a car. The only negative was the distance to work. It took 90 minutes to get there when I was working morning shift from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. or afternoon shift from 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. Getting home after the morning shift was not a problem. The problem was going home after 11 p.m. I was responsible to lock the sliding gate exactly at 11 p.m. when the service department closed. The public bus would stop in front of the building at 10:55 p.m. I asked if I could adjust my hours by 10 minutes so I can catch the bus. Management said no mechanic or service advisor could lock the door. That was my duty. So the next bus would drive past the building 90 minutes later at 25 past midnight. I would catch a second bus that would go over the bridge to where my parents lived, and I would have to walk home from the bus exchange for another 30 minutes. By the time I got home, it was 2:15 in the morning. I would rotate with a coworker 2 weeks mornings and 2 weeks afternoons. There were afternoon workers that lived close to my parents' house, but they would never let me catch a ride. Everyone else on afternoon shift would leave in the direction of the missed bus. If they could drive me a couple of kilometers, I could catch the bus 4 or 5 stops later. But again, no one would accommodate me. Sadly, all those employees received demo cars from the dealership. Also, I would fill up their cars with gas because the dealership had a pump in the yard. It just showed how selfish the people working there were. Today, I start work at 5 a.m. and I've had complaints about my hours. I just tell the story and people stop complaining.